mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home tonight. Hey, mom, we're gonna be alright. Dry those eyes.
Hi guys, I got a package from Laura DIY, Pura Vida Bracelets. I bought a couple of bracelets. I got it in this package. And see what I got. I got them in these little pouches. This one up. I like these little pouches. Oh, this one's a pink bracelet. What is this one called? I forget what this one is called. So it's got this letter on it. You can see that little letter. It says P. This is there's one to take the tags off after. And here's another one. Another bracelet. This one says P also. Another P. You can see that. This is like a yellow and black and blue, I think, on it. Let's see if I put this one on. Got two of them on now. That's two pouches. One more pouch. This is a pretty blue color. Really nice. And this one, I'm not sure what this is. Oh, with P on it too. The P. Focus. Got the letter P, and it's got a, I'm not sure what this is, a little thing there. And this one's up like a blue. Put this one on my hand. We have three of them on me now. I'll take the tags off the next. Let's see what this is. This is giving back, doing good. What that says. Oh, it's got stickers. Stickers. This is Pura Vida. And this one has just got like a little flower. And this one is a turtle. This one I'm not sure what this means. Don't know, maybe it's part of a plant or something. And this one is, oh, it's one of those things you wear underwater. Snorkeling thing. And this one is locals only. Locals only. And this one is another Pura Vida sticker. They came in this, their story, our story, and what it means. You pause it and read it if you like. And this is the back. And these are nice little bracelets. Pouch. So that after, just put it back in the pouch. So these are my Lauren DIY bracelets. She's a YouTuber. So you should go buy some. Really nice and cute bracelets. So if you guys like this video, comment, like, and share. Thumbs up the video if you like the bracelets. And if you're first time looking at this video, please subscribe and hit the bell notification to get notified. And if you like my videos, please subscribe again. And hope I'll see you in the next video, guys. So hope you subscribe and like. And thanks for watching. Bye, guys.